dear friends, welcome to my channel English Easy Learn. Today we are going to discuss about a beautiful poem. Usually we welcome our friends, our relatives and those who are very close to us. We welcome them to our house, our party, functions, marriage, our festivals, so on. So here the poet H.W. Longfellow welcomes rain. Here the poet welcomes rain. So think, after many months, if the rain comes, how do we feel? Really, I will feel very happy to play in the rain and enjoy in the rain, because so many months we have not seen the rain. If there is no rain, the street, the places, the village, the city, town, everything will look dirty, and also it is like hot. We feel very hot. That is in March, April, May. In these seasons we find very hot because we don't find rain in this season. So after few months the rain comes. So here this poet with a joy, with a happy, welcomes rain to the land. He uses many words to describe the sound when the rain comes. It's like a glitter, a tap tap, the horse, hoop. So these are the words he uses to explain the rain sound and how the water flows, the rain water flows, the pipes in the roof, and the roof, when the rain falls on the roof, how the sounds we get. When the heavy rain falls, we get different kinds of sound. All these sounds the poet enjoys and explains, and with a joyful heart he welcomes rain. So let's see how are the ways the poet welcomes the rain. Yes? Rain in Summer, written by H.W. Longfellow. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat, in the broad and fierce street, in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain, how it clusters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs, how it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Here in this poem, the poet describes the different sounds of the rain. Across the window pane, it pours and pours, and swifts and wide, with the muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars, the rain, the welcome rain. Poet expresses and explains the rain's sound and movements. He welcomes the rain after the hot and dusty summer months. Thank you, dears. Thank you for watching. I hope you might have understood this poem.